The Illinois Appellate Court just basically said that they don't care what the Supreme Court says. Now, I don't do politics or anything like that, but I'm telling you, as far as it concerns just guns and Second Amendment gun rights, if you are living in a Democratic-run state, a liberal, left-leaning state, you have got to get out of there. You need to flee that place like it was on fire. So basically, the Illinois Appellate Court just said, hey, we're going to continue to ban nonviolent felons from having their firearms, even if the federal government restores them. So on May 26, in People versus Lowe, the Illinois 1st District said that if you have a felony conviction, you are not considered part of the people that the Second Amendment was talking about. First and foremost, they are completely ignoring the Bruin standard. And what that is where the federal government has to prove a historical standard of disarming peaceable citizens. But furthermore, and the bigger picture here is, who the hell do you think you are? Who do you think you are that you are just above the law of the land, you are above the Constitution, and you are above the will of the people to just decide who is considered the people? Now you digest that for just a second. That means that they think that they can pick, choose, and decide who amongst us they consider people. They can relegate us to the land of second-class citizens based on anything that they want. They could do it by race. They could do it by class. And as silly as it sounds, they could do it based off the color of your car if they wanted to. That's what they're trying to say here. Court systems and government systems such as this have got to be stopped. This is a clear overstepping of power. The power lies in the people. That's the way that this country was founded and the way that it was intended to run. And if we keep allowing the government to do things like this, we are eventually going to turn into a police state. The citizens and the people are going to lose all of their rights, and we're not going to have any say-so because all of the people that lean left are going to freely and willingly give up the only thing we have left to stand against this tyrannical government, and that is our guns. At that point, you would just have to hope and pray that the people who are in the military and the police forces would have a conscience about this and that they wouldn't listen to the orders from the government. We would have to hope and pray that they would come to their senses and stand with us rather than them. But we can't ever let it get to that. We cannot give up our Second Amendment right. We cannot allow them to take our weapons. And with all that being said, we also cannot forget that it's alternative self-defense until restoration.